Pwede bang marinig? Madlang people, nasaan na kayo? And one more time, can I hear the cheers for Quiz Showtime?
Ay, naging one group na, sabi Showtime.
Now we're gonna recognize the Eagles! Looks like we got stiff competition here today on this court. It feels like something straight out of Korean drama.
I know.
In basketball form.
And
pero alam natin na talagang palaban ang ating mga kababayan, di ba? Wong Navarro, Jong Hilario, David Licauco, Ronnie Alonte, JC Davara.
grabe.
We got strong talent on the Philippine side.
Tayo kasama din tayo sa episode na. Look at the cheers every time we flashed in Korea here. Hear the cheers, rather. Oh my goodness.
Let's smile for the cameras one more time. Alright, Pete, the smiles come in before we get into the competition.